Hey Deb, this is Susie Bussman. I thought I'd do a quick screencast to illustrate what I'm talking about with regards to alt text for screen readers and embedding this information in your HTML code. So here is your Module 4 overview page with your little graphic, which I'm going to describe in the HTML code. So you go to Edit, it's loading, and here's the page. And you usually work in this view, but here's the HTML code that's behind this page view. So this is where I'm going to go. And I'm down at the bottom of the page, but I know my JPEG is at the top. So here I am, and it says I have aligned center and image source. This is where you got the image, and here's your alt text. So in between, so alt text equals, and this is what the screen reader will read, and I'm going to click right here. So this is balance, or let's call it seesaw. Seesaw with compare and contrast icons in balance. So now I have just actually put in the text. Even though the blind person or the sight limited person will not be able to necessarily see, in the sense that we see that picture, the description that's read by the screen reader is going to read seesaw with compare and contrast icons in balance. So that's what it's actually going to read to describe that graphic, and then I save it. Now you can't see it, but the screen reader will read this and try to describe what is on the page. And this is also where you can go and, well, it's probably easier to do your headers this way. I went and looked at your HTML code. I can see you did some copying and pasting here because you probably really don't want that there. So that was probably copied and pasted from some docs that you had. And I can see this is paragraph, and it really should be a header. So I can come over here and say header 4. And then your header 4 can be 12 point, it can be whatever it is, just be consistent. And so there I've changed that, and I can go to my HTML editor and once again scroll to the top, and look, there it is in the HTML code. Header 4 open and header 4 closed. And so that's what I generally go and check. This is also a place where you can take this stuff out, because there's doesn't quite fit the page, but okay. I showed you where you can check your header, but you can also just check it by highlighting it. Alright, so that was just a quick screencast-o-matic. Hopefully that will help you understand some of my feedback. Thanks.